Who are in critical situations. Actually, this is COVID 19. But we are getting a leisure time compared to all the days. This is a half chance. Don't look at this face. Actually, I'm saying. What I'm saying that this is the leader time, the best options for land for anything we can use. Always we are suffer. We are just anything we get the leisure time or a free time. We're using TV or cell phone. Always more. Why do we need no more? Is we know already. Just we are spending most of time nowadays as per technology on the laptop, just to eyes. Later, just using the cell phone and TV. Why should we more do like this? See, have the just to as a friendly sharing that one. Nowadays is the coding section is going on. Everybody is learning. If you see the Canada, America, like that people, that small kid too, and their persons also. If you see the, uh, just we can learn C, C plus, Java, and Python. We can learn. It's the best option. And third one, if you don't interest those are codes, is CA. CMA, CS, CA, Chartered Accountants, CMA, Cost Accountant, and CS, Company Secretary. Like the books we can read, or we can get that material from the YouTube or any other places if you have. That's one best. Why? Because the economy always live and let live and more live. So we can use. Otherwise, we can get the books. We can use YouTube. Is the best way, best option. Lot of the intellectuals on these subjects, they're giving the classes the best option. And we can read competitive exams like UPPSC exams, Telangana exams, APPS exams, and everything. That's one is the better. This one is better. If you don't interest all this, do one thing. Learn languages. Language is small. Nowadays we can do Basi or a translator. For any other need, one other wants to write a novel to another language. He don't know. He doesn't know about the language. So he need a translator. You are the best one. Either if you want to earn some money in the online or any classes in outside, learn this one: English, French, Spanish, Hindi, and Tamil. And that's when someone is saying, my friend is telling me, why should we learn? We can't understand. It's very difficult. From the childhood, they are habituated. If you are going to see the movie, we're discussing with the friends and relatives, are seeing the movie clips. It's remaining listening the songs. It's entering into our brain. So this is the best way. I mean, what I'm saying that one, if you are going to repeating, that's what is come to your brain. It's a storage. And if you don't have interest in this, you are able job holder just to getting the relaxation. Better to go for the whatever till now you not read. Niti Chandrika, Parvas from the Parvas Chennai Soul, like the books, Bodhisattva, and lot of persons we can know, and Chandamama, Balamitra, Balabharati, like the books is we can available in online also. If you go search in the net, we can see the books. You know that these books are gives the moral, not for only the kids. Someone saying if that was the kids, but what you are saying that's not for the kids. It's all it's useful for us also. It's a better. We can like this. And coming to here, if you get bored something, you want to learn something, you want to get the knowledge, something like we have the Telugu, we have a lot of intellectual persons not only outside the world. In Telugu we can also have the like these people like Vijayanika Idimetlu, something a lot of people who are writing others, you can read from them. This I mean those novels you can read, you can get the knowledge on this one. And coming to if you get in the bow games, outdoor games like in our home, just a shuttle in our home, a carom board, and it's chess. It's what we can the intelligence how it comes to brain, you can understand. And games something you can learn the games. I think either I can say one thing, If you know the C, C plus Java, Python like this, something, I don't know about this language, but I can say you can develop a game app. A small kids from the Canada, like other places, also developing a games, game apps. You can do like this. My suggestion is use this time, and this after you can't get this like time, please the time. Why? Because we are living a life like that. We have to pay rents, we have to pay for paper bill, current bill, and a cable bill, and we have to pay for the watchman, we have to pay for house rents. We can bring the things, groceries in the homes. So this time is a best time for learn anything. Take 7 hours rest, and meanwhile you can learn anything. Is my suggestion, it's a friendly suggestion, but what I'm saying, you are already doing, I think so, but just a sharing. Thank you, bye.